Hello, internet marketers and affiliate marketers. Welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today, I would like to share with you the ultimate video traffic blueprint pack. These are 5 fill-in-the-blank templates that will teach you how to structure a product review video, top list videos, curated videos, and others. So here are some examples right here, what you're getting for free. Again, how to create listicle type of videos, curated videos, question and answer types, content videos, and right here my favorite, the product review videos. And you can download this for free, and this is from Vidnami. I just started using Vidnami. You can check out my review video on that. I'll leave a link down below. And to grab this pack of templates and guides right here, just click on download button anywhere here. You will need to enter in your email and then head over to your email and it will be instantly sent to you. Just click on the download button and it comes as a PDF file, and then here it is, product review video. Is very short. Each guide is very short and straight to the point with examples. Very nice. I'll just briefly go over some of the key things that I really like. So this is the product review guide right here, and let's scroll down here. And again, what I like about this is that it gives you a nice example, and you can simply even copy this for your own video. And again, each step they provide you the instruction and also the example. Really easy to follow. And another really important step is the call to action. But here, depending on your country, you must disclose the fact that you're receiving affiliate commissions, and you can do this in the description along with your affiliate link. And if you don't do this, you can get in trouble, so make sure you follow this step. And here's one of the best part: at the end of every guide there is a copy and paste template that you can follow step by step to make your video structure, or the outline right here, really nice. And the next one is the listicle, or the top list video, and it's a similar style. It will teach you step by step how to structure your video. And let's go to the next one, the curated video newsletter. So this is actually something pretty interesting, how to use other people's content to make your videos. Okay, so learn about what is a curated video newsletter and the anatomy of it, and then the steps. So it's really interesting. I'll leave you guys to check it out later. And the next one, killer content video. So here's a quick preview. And the next one, question and answer. And again, here's the preview. Okay, so that's pretty much all 5 of the guides. They have definitely some interesting things, and I hope you can benefit from these guides. I'll leave a link down below for you guys to check it out, and also Vidnami to help you create videos quickly and easily and automatically. Check out my review video as well. Thanks so much for viewing, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more video marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again.